Dictation will be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. Max Weber has been responsible for spreading the misconception that Buddha was concerned with individual nirvana and had nothing to do with the welfare of society. In his book Religions of India, Weber says salvation is an absolutely personal performance of the self reliant individual. No one, and particularly no social community, can help him. The specific asocial character of genuine mysticism is here carried to its maximum. Para. However, nothing can be more confusing and misleading than this. Unlike other religions, Buddha does not believe either in a revealed text or a creator God or the one whose grace leads to salvation. So, nirvana or salvation or perfection can be attained by man solely through his efforts, by understanding the Four Noble Truths and practicing the Eightfold Path. Buddha emphatically says that Buddha is not a person but a state, and that Buddhahood is an achievement. In Dhammapad, Buddha says one should first establish oneself in what is proper, then instruct others. Such a wise one will not become stained. In other words, if the personal life of a person is immoral and questionable, he is not fit to serve society. Para. As long as a person is practicing the Eightfold Path and seeking nirvana perfection, he has to be engaged in individual, personal, and private effort. However, once he achieves Buddhahood, he voluntarily participates in the worldly activities with detachment. He becomes the one who, according to Gita, is a Jivan Mukt. Buddha himself can be cited as a paradigm. When Buddha was doing penance to achieve nirvana, he did so all by himself, remaining aloof and completely cut off from society. But once he attained Buddhahood, he rushed to Sarnath to share his newly acquired knowledge and technique of the middle path with his four friends in particular and with society in general. Para. According to Buddha, nirvana can be attained by practicing four Brahma Viharas, cardinal virtues, namely Maitri, universal friendship, Karuna, universal pity, Mudita, happiness in the prosperity and well being of all, and Upecha, indifference to any kind of preferential treatment for oneself, one's family and friends, one's enemy, or a third party. Para. The purpose of meditation on these virtues is to overcome the difference between the happiness or safety of himself and that of others. The other, say to say, is extinguished. The duality vanishes. The effect of Brahmavihar, therefore, is to purge all egoism. Para. Buddha emphasized using pleasant words in communication with others. Piya Vaikana, restoring to beneficent actions, Atkariya and equality, Samanta. An analysis of the above shows the extent to which Buddha was keen to bring about harmony, brotherhood, and peace among society members. Para. How to help humanity to get rid of the tyranny of suffering was Buddha's only concern. In achieving this goal, he was guided by the maxim, for the good of the many, for the happiness of the many. Para. Swami Vivekananda was the first Indian to recognize that the unique element in Buddhism is its social elements. Thanks for watching. Guys, subscribe the channel.